girls want the skinny ones just like us.
Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring and jingle bells ring. Snowing.
Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Hannah. I'm in my new room at home. I will definitely end up showing you guys the room a little bit more once it's finished, but I'm gonna hold off for now. Today, right now, it's been a slow day. I've been waking up late. I literally woke up at 11 and I went to bed at like 1:30. So in my mind, I should not be sleeping in that late. It's been cloudy out all day and the sun is now out and I'm like kind of done with my homework. Not all the way done, but we're just gonna pretend like it's done. And I am getting hungry, 1, and 2, it's gonna be sunny out. So I'm like, okay, maybe I could go take a picture. I'll probably still end up wearing this because I'm just like cozy, but maybe I'll change. You know what? Maybe I should change. Maybe I should change. I think I should. I thought it would be cute though. I took my boyfriend out to dinner. Don't know where. My mom and my brothers left to go to the mall. I told them I can't go to the mall. I have too much to do. But then she was like, okay, then you gotta do your own dinner, sis. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna find our own food and we're gonna hang out with the boys. I love how red as the sun's about to go down is when I have like the most motivation. I'm like, all right, now let's get the day started. I wish I would just get my homework done at night and then I would like get up and do stuff during the day. That would be probably most ideal for my time schedule and time management and like vlog the whole day. The only problem with that is that Jacob does all his schoolwork during the day and all of my friends do their schoolwork during the day and then everyone hangs out at night. Okay, I'm gonna put these pants on and then maybe a different jacket and we're good to go. Bruh. Guys, Knox was chasing me around the yard with a log. Hi, buddy. We're here. This lighting's disgusting. We've never been here before. Let's go check it out.
Too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'll be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much.
I ordered a baked potato pizza. It looks really yummy. What'd you get?
Really good. I was like, I can't remember it.
Just try it, just try it. You're really taking your time here.
I like it.
Oh my god, you're gonna get some complex review.
So what do you think?
Pretty good.
Mine would have to be probably a 7 out of 10. I think it's really good, but I wish I had something different on it. I like Eddie's. I had Eddie's growing up. You go, of course I like Eddie's? What does that mean? Are you breaking up with me? You guys, this is the type of oat milk that I use. I just looked and they have ice cream. So I'm getting this mint chocolate and oh my gosh, you guys. We're gonna make shakes. Look at this, beautiful. I'm not a big ice cream person, but I am a big shake person. Gotta go. Now we're gonna open some packages. Hey, yes, my girl Jazzy. How comfy do these look? Yes. Wait, I think this is Sadie's merch. Thank you, Sadie. It's beautiful. Oh, moisturizer. So Pop Beauty. Oh, Pop Beauty gave me some moisturizer. Bruh, my chat books came. So this is like a thing on my Instagram that I ordered for the summer memories. Isn't this pretty?
I like that a lot.
Oh, yeah. Hey, like, would you like one of these, sir? It's just me. And then it starts to transition to fall. We got some Mackinac Island in here. Stop, these are so cute. And my roomies, so pretty. I'm like Instagram at Hannah Meloche. Oh my god. This is a big onesie. This is a big onesie. You're not ready for this.
What?
Look at this! Wait, this is gonna be too big on me. This is from One Piece, the Norwegian original. This feels like full, like it'll fit you. Like that would fit you. Oh my god. Okay, stop. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try this on for you guys. Give you a full reveal.
I don't know.
All right, let's give her a taste test. Ooh, espresso with ice cream. That looks so good. Let's try it. It's gonna be like kind of like it might be sour because of the coffee. How is it?
It's actually good.
Good? How's yours? No? You don't like it? Let me try. Wait, this one's mine, I think. Oh, it is? Yeah, I think that one's yours.
It's like coffee ice cream.
Oh, this is not good, you're right. Is that better?
Yeah, it's like hot cocoa.
Oh, really? Can I try some?
Oh, it's like coffee hot cocoa.
That's good. That's good. Hey, what'd you get, bro?
I got the the brother sandwich, whatever.
It's not my brother's sandwich.
Yeah.
Look at these sick bags. Like, I'm sorry.
That's so Pinterest.
This was in the menu, so I got this one.
Ayo.
Would be dope. Look up.
We're at the Christmas tree farm.
Would be dope. It's like you're a movie. It's like.
This is my umbrella. I'm under the yellow one. It's pretty cold out here. Mom knew it was raining and she said we're going anyways. It's cold, bruh. Andrew, where's your umbrella? Andrew's like, I'm thriving in this cold weather. Dude, that's a good one. No, I do not trust not Jacob's. David's.
I trust you, Jacob.
Me, I trust you, Jacob. Let's cut this one down.
The girls want the skinny ones, just like us. He can't tackle the tree if he can't cut it down. It's warmer down here, by the way.
Don't make.
Hey, I'm not making fun of him.
Natural fires, the heat from the ground.
Go, David, go. Go, David, go.
3, go. Hey! Hey!
Sure.
That was.
We got bored, so we got dressed and we came to a parking lot with Christmas lights. The background's actually really pretty. Holy shit. It is so pretty. All right, insert pictures now. So it's 10:13 and we've all been craving Starbucks. We were running around the highway like maniacs.
Literally running around
literally
it.
running, but like
Well,
driving
no, we were
around.
running.
We were running on the highway.
It
if you
sounds
saw
better
us.
if we were running.
No, so we were.
Heavy run, actually, marathon sprint.
So basically, there's a drink that Ella ordered yesterday.
I just spilled it all over myself.
Yeah. And
So
yesterday's
my pants are
vlog, you saw us, or Ella and I, getting this drink and how complicated it was. So I was like, guys, I left this in the car so that I could get it again because it was so yummy. We go to the only Starbucks that we could find in our area that was open till 10. And we pull up and she's like, hey yo, sorry, we're closed for 2 weeks.
She's literally putting signs.
She's literally she's literally closing the restaurant for 2 weeks as we get there.
So we were like, all right, cool. So now we're fricked. So at least we got our Christmas picks. Parking garage?
Yeah.
Or parking lot?
But it's an hour later and we're still craving it. So we're gonna go to Meijer and try and make it at home.
Yeah.
Yes. We're gonna go to Meijer, get some peppermint cold brew, right?
Yeah.
Well, we can just get cold brew and then buy peppermint.
But they also have peppermint mocha.
But guys, it seems more like legit if we at least put one
If
ingredient
we're cooking
in.
that up in the kitchen.
Yeah, if we like at least have to put peppermint in it, like to say we did work.
Yeah.
What about the cold foam?
We don't have that capability. We'll figure something out.
Dude, that was the biggest size I could find. They already had fits at ages 4 to 10.
I literally didn't recognize you with the mask. I thought you were like some woman coming to yell at us.
I need to get some masks.
Look at it's so.
They're literally baby size. This is what I'm telling you, bro. So I just spent $7. These were the only ones I could find. You have to link them. It's turning red.
My ears hurt.
Oh, these are good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this is good brand.
She's like, let's get the out of here. Your ears like gonna rip off.
This one's the one I've had.
Okay, let's go. All right, so we just found out that Nolan has a homework assignment due in 15 minutes. So we're gonna make the coffee first. It's 11:10. It's a Monday night and this is what we're doing. So we got peppermint extract. We have, what kind of brand is this?
Stoke.
We have Stoke cold brew coffee. And then Nolan said it was good.
White chocolate mocha creamer from the Starbs.
Yes.
Hey, can we first talk about how Starbucks has let me down today? So this caught in the car, literally, I'm trying to just put Hannah's little bag in the back seat. Starbucks just kind of like leaps out and gets on my pants.
It leaps out.
So Starbucks, that's a problem you gotta fix. All right, so today we're just gonna
does it? George just stop, that's too much. You don't want too much. No, that's too much.
That's literally not too much.
Yes, it is.
You order a venti from Starbucks.
I know, I'm just saying for now. Okay, do you think that's too much? I'm just like, I see no problem. Okay, fine, just do it. Emily, you do the peppermint, I trust you.
What, you think I'm gonna be too aggressive?
You'd be like,
Probably.
She's like,
you just want a couple drops.
Oh,
that was a huge drop, Emily.
you're like trying to make her like, like look like the bad barista.
See, life hack. Sometimes you just gotta get aggressive.
Life hack is sometimes you just gotta get aggressive. And that can apply to anything in life.
Anything in life.
She's beautiful. That's it? I'm like, I think you're gonna need more.
You want straight creamer?
No, dude, you're definitely gonna need more. Starbucks colors were milkier than that.
Okay, but they mix it. You got a mixie stick? Where's the spoon?
I think it's called a spoon, not a mixie stick.
Alright, I call it what I want in my coffee shop. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're still in training.
Here we go, Starbucks at home. Take one. Okay, bye.
Did we mix it good enough?
It smells.
Do we need to add more coffee?
What do you think? I just taste the mocha, the white mocha.
Oh, I thought you were about to say taste peppermint. I was like, oh shit. Do you like it?
Oh, she's good.
She's really good, but I feel like it might need more coffee.
I do smell the peppermint extract. Like, smells like straight chemical. It tastes good, but it smells like chemicals.
Dude, this smells?
No, but it smells
No,
like
it
rubbing
tastes-
alcohol. It straight up does.
It tastes really good though, and you guys know I don't lie about this shit.
Yeah, I'd buy this again.
Thank you. Guys, I'm gonna
We should
make
do that
another
next
one.
time.
I'm gonna finish this and make another.
It's 11 o'clock.
I'm trying.
It's the holiday season.